Hey guys, Glorox here. A couple of weeks ago I ordered a couple parts for a new computer build because my old one was trash, and I'm going to show you how I built that and all the stuff in it and some benchmarks. So after a little research I decided on these parts for my build, and I'll show you the case first. For the case, I chose the NZXT H500i ATX mid-tower case. I chose this case because it looks super nice. I love the aesthetic, and it's also got this intelligent software which controls all the RGB and other fans and components very easily with an application on the computer, and it honestly just looks beautiful. I loved how it turned out in the end, and I think you will too. The motherboard is an MSI MPG Z390 Gaming Edge AC ATX motherboard. I chose this motherboard because it had everything I needed, support for all of the components I was going to put into the computer, and I just love how it looks, as well as the mystic lighting in the back. The CPU is an Intel Core i9-9900K 3.6 GHz 8-core processor. Honestly, this CPU is just great. Yeah, it's just great. For my CPU cooler, I got a Corsair H100i RGB Platinum 75 CFM liquid CPU cooler. I love this cooler. It looks so nice, and the controls for it are amazing. And the graphics card. Dang, this thing is nice. It's the MSI GeForce RTX 2080 8GB VENTUS video card. This thing is the performance is just, yeah. For the RAM in this computer, I got Corsair Vengeance LPX 32GB DDR4 3200 memory, and for the storage we got a Samsung 970 EVO 500GB M.2 solid state drive. And powering it all, we got a Corsair TXM Gold 550 watt 80 plus gold certified ATX power supply.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing. I'm alone, but I'm still feeling like someone's with me. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me, like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there. Time is unfair, 'cause I know you're out there somewhere, patient, waiting unaware, feeling like your grip might slip too soon. But I'm running, chasing speed and gunning. I'll be right there all of a sudden. I feel your heartbeat lead me straight to you. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me. It's like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there.
Alright, looks like that's it for the parts installation. We got the GeForce RTX in there and all the rest of the goodies, and I'll get back to you once we plug everything up and throw in Windows 10 Pro on there. needless to say, it's a freaking awesome computer, and yeah, you'll probably see some more of me soon. See ya.